Are you a fan of applique? Does the thought of it intimidate you? I am so confident that you are going to love applique and use it on more and more of your projects that I am willing to give you your first little taste for free. What's best is that these applique elements are simple and easy to use, and they come laser cut in the finished shape with the stabilizer already attached to the back. All you have to do is open the package, place the design, press it, and you're done. Click the link to get your free application, and all you'll have to do is pay the shipping or stick around for a couple of minutes and watch just how easy this applique is to apply. All right, so a moment ago, I told you to stay tuned so that I could show you how to apply the applique to your quilts. I am using my amazing light box to make this job super simple. And what I have done is taken the picture that was in the package and I blew it up a little bit so that I could kind of lay it out and follow the design underneath my quilt. So on top of the light box, I've got my design laid out, and then I'm going to put my paper over top of, or my fabric over top of that. And now I can see the layout underneath the fabric really easily because the light is shining through. So what I'm just going to do is pull off the paper backing on each little laser cut piece. And the fusible web is already on there. So now I just need to place it where it belongs. And the great thing about this fusible web they use is it's just a little bit gummy or tacky. So when I press it in place, it kind of stays there even just with the pressure of my fingers. I will press it in place with heat in a moment here. But again, I'm just going to keep peeling the paper off. And we want to make sure that the fusible stays right on the actual fabric, not comes off with the paper. Otherwise, it will not stick. We need it to stick. So once I have those little elements, my applique elements, in place where I want them, what I can do is move the fabric over to a pressing surface and just give that a light press. Now you're going to want to use the silk setting on your iron, and I recommend holding it for a count of 5. And then I just like to give it a little push, and if it's fused in place, then I'm going to leave it alone. If it moves, then it has not fused in place, and you need to give it a little bit more heat again. So now I can lay this back out, and I can see where all the little petals are going to go. Let's start with these little green guys. And each little shape is unique, so it should only correlate to one image on the paper. And like I said, it's a bit sticky already, so when I press it in place, it's going to stay right where I've put it, which is nice because when I move it over here, it'll stay where I've put it. Now this is just such a cute and easy way to add a little something to your quilts. This border was pretty big and plain, so I was pretty excited at the idea of adding just a little something more, a bit more color. I'm just going to continue peeling the paper off the back of the fabric and then placing it on the design. And eventually you are going to have enough pieces in place to match the image that comes on the front of your package. Now the nice thing too about these is you can move them around. You know, if you don't like it exactly how you see in the picture, you can kind of make it unique too. It's not set in stone, it's your project. You can do what you want with it. But I hope that shows you just how quick and easy these appliques are and just how much wow they can add to any quilt project. You can even throw these on a little t-shirt for your little one, throw them on a kitchen towel to add some color in your kitchen. However you want to use it, it's yours. So enjoy. I hope you have fun with it, guys.